this hour before while we're working. We ordered these strip lights from here, and they came 2 of these in a pack and a remote. Ooh, there's a lot of different colors. So we got the stretch pad ones because it's see-through. We also decided to use this spray to spray on here. So I'll spray like so, just a little bit. Just put a little bit down. Layer it. So all of these years, this is how he leaves me and replaced me. Old women with beard fingers. As you can see, we're starting with this one, and I'm gonna put double-sided tape, my beard, along here. 1, 2, 3, just so I can be able to use it in there. So, I also want to tell you, to all my friends and family, if you guys would like to do this idea, you can do it too.